Who put the bomb in the bomb?
I want to go to New York or Hollywood.
You could be a movie star with a pretty face.
Please, holiday, go lightly.
Kisses, kisses, kisses.
This contest is tomorrow, here.
How do I look? This is cute. $300. Georgie, I'll be rich when I finally get to Hollywood again.
I can never get enough to eat.
Who am I? So you meant? He's a genius and he wants to make him rich and famous.
She has a lot of style and class. Oh.
Mommy! She's an absolute nut. Oh, I'm glad. Now, who's going to bring me a bourbon?
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, just let it be a cute little classic.
Son, I need a friend.
Hey! You with us!
The police?
We